Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. And today we are talking about Circulate Money. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit of a shorter video, and full transparency, I am not being paid by these people. I have absolutely zero affiliation with them. Everything that I have invested into this project is my own hard-earned money. Let's get this crypto. So, Circulate Money launched yesterday, so it's brand spanking new. And the reason why I wanna get this video out as soon as possible is because they are about to hit their TVL limit, and after that there will be no more deposits. And at this point it's looking like it will fill up in like 1 or 2 days. The contract has absolutely exploded, and I could not care less if you invest or if you don't. This is my YouTube channel, so I'm only covering what I'm doing, you know. So with that being said, how does Circulate Money actually work? Well, it pretty much works exactly like these other crypto passive income bot projects like Prosperity Gem Ventures or Rely Fund or Alpha Capital, all of these other projects. Basically, you stake either your BNB, BUSD, AVAX or USDC. I staked about $500 worth of BNB, which you can see right here. Capital 1.84 wrapped BNB, and if we scroll down you can see that my capital is locked for 28 days, and after that I can unstake it. It's a variable daily APR, so you can earn anywhere from 2.2% to 5% daily. Let's get this crypto. Now, what's so unique about this project is that they claim to use Sandwich, Frontrun and Sniper bots. And this is also one of the reasons why I decided to invest, because I have a friend who was running a lot of these front-run bots, and so I know from personal experience that these bots can be insanely profitable. So the project is being audited by Solidity Finance, and the founder has promised to docs and do a KYC. Now look, these are just words, you know, so you have absolutely no obligation to trust him or the team. For all we know, this could be a 100% Ponzi, and they could drug tomorrow. You never know. Now, with that being said, let me show you something that not many people are talking about right now. Now, if you're in the DeFi DGen space, which you probably are if you're watching this video, you already know it's bot season, baby. But the thing is, this seems to be like a larger trend. So right now I'm on Google Trends, and as you can see I have put in the words AI crypto in the search terms, and as you can see, what the hell is going on really? This seems to be a much larger trend in the whole overall crypto space. It's not just DeFi, like there is massive amounts of capital flowing into this sector right now. For example, right now I'm on CoinMarketCap on top AI and big dot tokens by market capitalization, and I mean, look at the trends, guys. Trading volume for today is 516 million, up 118%. Look at the 7-day gains, like 13% on Graph, 55% on Fetch, 88% on Singularity. These are all AI flash trading bot projects, you know, like the large caps, and all of these are up massive amounts over the past week. So my rationalization, and look, I'm just a random YouTuber, you know, so you should definitely not listen to me, but let's say that, you know, Circulate Money is a total Ponzi, a 100% scam, just by the fact of it being in the same sector or being labeled a bot AI crypto bot trading project means that this is pretty much where the capital is flowing into right now. So even if it was a Ponzi, this is where the capital is flowing. So you know, if I were a betting man, this is the sector that I would be betting on. Like, I think that this trend is only getting started and this thing is going to get a lot bigger. So that is why I'm betting on it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. Shocked Pikachu face, you know, Holger added another bot project to his portfolio. Already now we're smashing and grabbing these bot projects. Shout out to all of the people who have been joining me in these projects. How does it feel to make some goddamn gains for once? Anyway, so yeah, they are basically closing it down when they hit 5 million in TVL, I believe, which is looking like it's going to be probably tomorrow or the day after. So yeah, you can read right here. The BUSD pool limit was set to 1 million and we have met this cap before expected. We will be removing the cap on BUSD pools tomorrow, January 11th at 19 UTC. That is today in a couple of hours. So after that you will be able to deposit again, but I'm guessing it will fill up very quickly. So make sure to get in time if you are interested in this project, that is. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Telegram group. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.